If you want to apply to Walter Sisulu University for the 2027 academic year, you must follow the correct online application process from the beginning to avoid delays, document problems, or course selection issues. Many students get rejected because they upload incorrect documents, misunderstand APS requirements, or apply too late. In this video, you will learn exactly how to apply online at WSU properly, what documents you need, how APS works, and the common mistakes that cause applications to fail. The first thing you must do is use the official Walter Sisulu University application website. Do not use random links from social media or unofficial websites, because many students end up on fake portals or outdated pages. The official WSU online application portal is applications.wsu.ac.za. WSU applications are completed online, and you should never pay agents or third parties to submit an application for you, because the process can be done yourself, for free. Before starting the application, make sure all your documents are ready and properly scanned. South African applicants usually need a certified copy of their ID, grade 11 final results if currently in matric, or a matric certificate if already completed. Transfer students may also need academic transcripts and proof of previous studies. International applicants may need a passport, English translations, and SACWA evaluation documents depending on the qualification they are applying for at WSU. One of the biggest problems students face during the WSU application process is uploading unreadable or incorrect documents. Your files should be clear, properly scanned, and preferably saved as PDF documents, because blurry cell phone photos sometimes fail verification. Make sure the names on your documents match your ID details exactly. You should also avoid uploading screenshots instead of proper scans, because this can delay verification or cause the application system to reject your uploaded documents completely during assessment. Before selecting a course, you must understand how APS works, because WSU uses APS scores to determine whether you qualify for a program. APS stands for Admission Point Score, and it is calculated using your school subjects and marks. Different programs require different APS levels, and some courses are highly competitive. Even if you meet the minimum APS requirement, this does not guarantee acceptance because spaces are limited, and certain faculties receive many applications every year from students across South Africa. When choosing programs at WSU, pay close attention to subject requirements because the system checks your results automatically. For example, engineering and some science programs may require pure mathematics instead of mathematical literacy. Nursing and health sciences programs may also require specific life sciences or physical sciences results. If you do not meet the requirements, some courses may appear unavailable or grayed out during the application process. This usually means the system has detected missing or incorrect subject combinations. To begin the actual application, create your account using your own cell phone number and email address, because WSU will send important updates there. After creating the account, you may receive an OTP verification code to activate your profile. Once verified, fill in your personal details carefully, including your ID number, full names, address, and contact information. Always double-check every section before continuing, because mistakes with identity details can create serious problems later during registration or acceptance processing. After completing your personal information, you will move to the program selection section where you choose the qualifications you want to study. Read program names carefully, because students sometimes select the wrong qualification or campus accidentally. Walter Sisulu University has multiple campuses, including Mthatha, Buffalo City, Butterworth, and Komani, and not every program is offered at every campus. Make sure you confirm where your chosen course is offered before submitting the application, because changing programs later may become difficult. Once program selection is complete, upload all required documents carefully and confirm that every file opens correctly before submission. Missing documents are one of the main reasons applications remain pending for long periods. After uploading everything, submit the application, and wait for the confirmation message or student number. Take screenshots of your confirmation page and save your student number immediately, because you will need it later to track your application status and access future university communication systems online. After submission, you must regularly check your WSU application status, because the university may request additional documents or updates. Common statuses include pending, awaiting documents, provisionally accepted, admitted, or rejected. Pending usually means your application is still being reviewed, while awaiting documents means something important is missing. Do not ignore emails or SMS messages from WSU, because delayed responses can affect your admission process, especially for competitive programs that fill up quickly before final closing dates arrive during the application season. Another important thing students forget is residence applications. Getting accepted academically does not automatically guarantee accommodation at WSU residences. If you need university housing, check whether a separate residence application is required and apply as early as possible, because space is limited. Waiting too long can force students to search for private accommodation later, which may become expensive or difficult depending on the campus area. Always read the residence instructions carefully and keep proof of any submissions you complete online. Finally, do not wait until the last week before closing dates to apply, because online systems often become slow when thousands of students apply at the same time. Apply early, double-check your documents, use your own contact details, and keep copies of everything you submit. It is also smart to apply to multiple universities instead of depending only on one institution. If you follow the correct process carefully, your WSU online application for 2027 will be much smoother and easier to manage from start to finish.